Prepare to have your understanding of interstellar objects challenged. The recent image of 3I Atlas, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope in July 2025, revealed a baffling feature: a glowing jet pointed directly toward the sun. This isn't your typical comet tail. It's an anti-tail, and it's sparking a heated debate in the scientific community. But here's where it gets controversial. While comet experts were quick to label 3I Atlas as just another comet, they overlooked this bizarre sunward glow. Imagine spotting what you think is a cat in your backyard, only to realize it has a tail sprouting from its forehead. That's how unexpected this finding is. And this is the part most people miss. The only attempt to explain this anomaly comes from a paper I co-authored with Eric Ketto, which delves into the physics behind this peculiar phenomenon. Available here. https://archive.org/pdf2509.0771. Available here. https://archive.org/pdf2509.0771. So, why does 3I/Atlas defy this rule? If the antitail contains typically comet dust, sunlight should scatter it away from the sun. Yet, here it is, pointing directly at our star. This raises two burning questions. What's causing this antitail, and why are experts brushing it off? I'm tackling the first question in an upcoming paper with Eric Ketto, but the second? That's a job for historians of science, or perhaps future AI historians. To add to the mystery, a new image from the 2-meter twin telescope, TTT, in the Canary Islands, taken on August 2, 2025, confirms the Sunward jet. Composed of 159 exposures, it shows the jet extending 6,000 kilometers from the nucleus, mirroring Hubble's findings. But the anomalies don't stop there. Let's borrow a phrase from the Hebrew Passover song Dayenu, meaning it would have been enough, to summarize 3I Atlas's oddities. If 3I Atlas had a sunward jet, Dayenu, if it were 1,000,000 times more massive than Oumuamua and 1,000 times more massive than Borisov, Dayenu, if its trajectory aligned within 5 degrees of the ecliptic plane, Dayenu, if it passed dangerously close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, Dayenu, if its gas plume contained nickel but no iron, with a nickel-to-cyanide ratio unlike any known comet, Dayenu, if it had only 4% water by mass, defying predictions of water richness, Dayenu, if it exhibited extreme negative polarization, unseen in any comet, Dayenu, if it arrived from a direction just 9 degrees off the WOW signal, Dayenu. And here's another twist. A recent preprint suggests detecting 3I Atlas's gas plume as it approaches the Europa Clipper and Hera spacecraft. But my calculations show the solar wind would sweep away the plume long before it gets close. So, will future AI historians, potentially biased by today's scientific myths, accurately document these anomalies? Or will we need to unplug them if they ignore the facts? About the author, Avi Loeb, head of the Galileo Project and former chair of Harvard's astronomy department, is no stranger to challenging scientific norms. His best-selling book, Extraterrestrial, explores signs of intelligent life beyond Earth, while his latest work, Interstellar, continues to push boundaries. Will 3I Atlas rewrite our understanding of interstellar objects? The debate is far from over, and your thoughts could shape the conversation. What do you think? Is 3I Atlas a comet or something far more intriguing? Let's discuss in the comments.